In this module, we will see what is NetSuite One World and how it helps the companies with multiple subsidiaries and manage their domestic or international operations. We will also look at a high level, the capabilities of NetSuite One World across ERP, CRM, e-commerce modules, and how the Suite Cloud platform helps you to leverage the One World functionality. Then we will look at how NetSuite One World supports taxation and statutory requirements for different countries. We will also figure out how to create subsidiaries and structure a subsidiary relationship with the immediate and the root parent of the organization. Also, let us explore briefly about the Subsidiary Navigator and how you can use that to view subsidiary information from Home dashboard. And lastly, we will see how we can assign entities to subsidiaries to carry out subsidiary-related transactions. NetSuite One World is a real-time, unified global business management platform for companies that manage multiple countries and multiple subsidiary operations. With NetSuite One World, customers can use a single NetSuite account to manage the records and transactions for multiple legal entities or subsidiaries. You can conduct business across multiple tax jurisdictions or nexuses involving multiple currencies. With support for multiple currencies, NetSuite allows companies to quickly and efficiently expand their operations across international borders. It supports taxation, legal compliance at the subsidiary level, with the regional and global consolidation at the parent level. The parent company is the top level of the organization structure and it owns subsidiaries. Subsidiaries in NetSuite One World are separate legal entity for the purpose of taxation and statutory requirements. The subsidiaries can be domestic or international operations for the parent organization. NetSuite supports subsidiary-specific currency for business. This becomes the base currency for the subsidiary, and the accounting books for subsidiary are maintained in this currency. NetSuite allows you to have subsidiary-specific configurations like fiscal calendar, taxation rules, and more. You can define the subsidiary type as standard and elimination subsidiaries. For each subsidiary, it is mandatory to create an elimination subsidiary. The elimination subsidiary is required for use in balancing consolidated financials. NetSuite has got tax edition for each country to support the taxation and statutory requirements. When you create a subsidiary, the country you define with its address determines the NetSuite tax edition. The tax calculations and nexus for each subsidiary are enabled by the NetSuite Suite Tax Engine or partner solution. Let us look at what are NetSuite One World capabilities. Each subsidiary can operate their transactions in their own base currency. Subsidiaries can share inventory items, and they can have their own unique items. You can use a single chart of accounts across subsidiaries, or use the subsidiary-specific accounts. This can be used to prepare consolidated statement at parent level, or subsidiary financial statements in the appropriate currencies. NetSuite One World allows intercompany transactions across subsidiaries. You can also enter the intercompany journal entries and eliminate the profits for transaction among the subsidiaries. Each subsidiary can have one or more locations unique to that subsidiary. This enables you to administer the location-based tax and regulatory requirements. With NetSuite One World, you can manage the company's sales organization and customer relationships. Sales quotas and forecast can span across subsidiaries and sales organization. With NetSuite One World, salespeople can sell and get their commission across subsidiaries. Marketing campaigns done at corporate level and leads obtained can be shared by one or more subsidiaries. Subsidiaries can have dedicated or shared web stores with unique items. The Suite Cloud platform and tools supports NetSuite One World with Suite Talk, Suite Script, Suite Builder, and Suite Analytics. NetSuite One World supports reporting in the base currency of that subsidiary, its immediate parent subsidiary, and the top-level parent subsidiary. Financial statements, dashboards, key performance indicators can display consolidated roll-ups and side-by-side comparison of the subsidiary performance.